these between us.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. You get one. Why not?
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do some fireworks. Happy 4th of July, y'all.
The YouTuber? Hey.
I only have 3 subscribers. I think like 5 or 3. That's pretty hard
Couldn't
for
be
me.
me.
Huh?
Couldn't be me.
Hey, yeah, sure.
Roman candle battle.
All right,
Roman
candle.
candle.
Yeah, can I have one?
I want one.
No.
You know, let me did one before.
No, I did not win.
Oh, like,
Don't
you
lie.
You only heard it like this.
Bruh, these are not some shit that.
Okay,
you can play
fine.
with.
Fine.
No, you can't be over here. It's hot fire, baby. Go over there. Go right in that blue chair. You okay?
Ah. Sorry.
Pretty good.
Nothing.
There you go.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Damn mosquito.
Why did you aim it at the
Like
ground?
a flare. Yeah, aim it at the ground.
That was a lot.
Yeah, stay over there. Dangerous.
All right, now you can get it.
Oh, that's a turtle though.
Yeah.
Right there.
No, that's the box.
That's not a turtle.
That's the box?
Yeah.
You sure?
That's the box. So worried.
It's not that. It's just you can't really. I want y'all to fucking
Didn't you learn at the same time?
fall off the dang thing, and then now I gotta jump in the safety.
I mean, I know how to swim.
Because how the heck over here, how would I get out the water?
There's a ladder right here, buddy.
Oh,
They're right there.
There is a ladder. You're definitely right, actually.
So you'd be good.
Yeah, or you could swim and.
Oh, I'm not going in this water. It might be snakes. But I'm not.
Dirty.
Huh?
You're gonna get dirty. Girl.
Oh my god.
Here's the big one.
Scary.
Here's, I forgot what's it called, but
Crackling. That's
huh? It's not like actually one.
Yes. Here. I'll light those.
Put yours.
All these gotta get lit probably at the same time. Probably be better.
These cheap off fireworks won't work.
Right. They're just catching fire and not light. There you go.
Oh, here's one.
And on me.
Here, light each other.
Oh, Naomi, you better move. Hurry up. Light each other. Oh, Lord. Spot her.
Wait, there we go.
Bruh.
They're all trying to.
Naomi, you might want to move over here by me.
Wait, I think Naomi's
I
got
think
hers,
they're
right?
all lit, man. Yours is all lit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. Huh. I got my ass whooped.
Alright, y'all step back over there with it.
All right. Huh? Oh. All right, it's done anyway, so. Goodbye. How is yours still going?
Mine?
Yeah. Mine's already been out.
Yeah.
Step back, y'all.
Step back. Wait, like all the way back to the bridge.
Look at my ass.
You guys better step back quick.
Okay, yeah, mine done.
On the bridge.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Look up, look up.
Look up.
Look
All right, gotcha.
Ayana, look. Ayana. Stay there.
Get up. Boop.
Oh!
Careful, Dad.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh, God.
Wow, man.
Oh, no.
Look at the fireworks over there.
Firework contest. Oh shit. Wanna die?
Say you want to die.
I said I don't wanna die.
Oh. I was about to say, I'm about to put some depression songs on. I was like,
How you been recording?
huh?
Let me see.
I'm only recording like this.
Hi.
Oh, okay. Huh? This is a friendly content. As what the? Where do we go, guys?
Hannah. Really now?
Now we got longer ones.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, here. Y'all all pass out.
We got a longer
Now,
ones.
these are the real ones. I got these from Pennsylvania, so I know these
Well, like
will
easily.
last long. and
Well, of course,
they're-
yo, last one is long. Pause.
I'm sorry to say it, there's no non-gay way to say that. You know that? But, okay. Hold on.
What you about to do?
Nothing.
Of course. Okay. There's no wind, so ain't no way this ain't working.
Bro.
What the fuck?
Never do this at home. Don't put your hand.
Right, don't do that. Alright, move back from the fireworks.
No, you gotta put it that way. Put it in
Yeah.
the water.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, and then it does this. That's the only cool thing about the Pennsylvania one is they have no limits on the shit they can do on them. Like in New York, you can only get fireworks that shoot on the ground. In Pennsylvania, you can get fireworks that shoot in the air, the ground, wherever. They have different rules and regulations. And this is longer. Yo, look at you trying to burn some shit.
No.
What's down there?
What's down there? Just water, of
Well,
course.
I know that, obviously. Like you could basically see everything down that way. Careful.
Trying to bring it on fire?
There's water down
I'm
there.
gonna
The
try to
best be
barely
fine.
Here, you want to hold the long one?
Come on, lift a little.
I like that one. Oh, yo, I
Goofy,
went
y'all.
like this and they went. Oh, hold on. Get the fuck. Yo, I created fire.
That's what
Yo,
this is.
that's so dope. What the freak? I just scraped it against the thing.
Do it again. Do it again. Ain't no way. Freaking, your body be like a demon slayer in the character first.
Hold on.
Before yours run out. Oh, mine's is.
Mine's already gone. God damn.
There you
What
go.
the fuck? Yeah, mine's is already gone. That was it. Dang. Oh, bullshit ass. What the heck?
Scrape it. Scrape it. If there's any more on there. Oh, for her. For her. Wait. There's some. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, I think hers is done. Dunzos. Yeah, it's done. Alright.
Done? It's out?
Yep. Spear. Okay.
Open that package up.
Yeah.
Package.
He gave you the necklace and gave you this. What's one of my favorites? Well, my favorite.
All right, about to do these. Guys, we about
Open
to.
them up and grab one out of it.
All right, grab one. Which one we should do? Do any man?
This one.
All right.
Of course. I mean, they're Dollar Tree glow sticks.
They ain't like.
Yeah, they ain't like the good ones from Walmart. Hold on.
We shouldn't need a knife.
Yeah.
Don't tell me you're gonna use a key.
Or
Don't. Alright, this man is withstanding fire because he just put his hand above fire and then. This man is fireproof.
I'm fireproof.
Why don't you let them make 3 of them at the same time? It's very dangerous.
Alright, you should do 3 of them at the same time.
Oh, wait, no. You're stepping on the fireworks.
Oh, I didn't know.
Why?
Oh, the fireworks is done for. I thought that Mickey Mouse. Oh.
What the hell? The heck?
Big.
Okay, come here, Glenn.
Oh.
Come here.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, right? You're gonna take this and light that. I'm gonna light this with my lighter, okay? Come over here. And then when you run, look. When you run,
We got some people. Hold on. I don't know if they want us. I don't want this recording them, so that's why I'm coming to the camera. All right. Hey, pause it real quick. We're gonna get you it, guys. If I light this firework, okay?
right? Look. From right here. Oh shit! Why did you leave it on high? Don't touch it. All you do is click and boom.
I do. Okay.
Okay? Don't fuck up. If you're gonna fuck up, then just step back and I'll do it. No, wait, why would you?
Scare me. Can I light the next one, please?
You're too young. Wait, blue's your favorite color?
This? Like this?
Yeah.
Blue. You know. Well, baby blue, but you know.
I said to play.
I'm recording.
No, don't download no games on here.
No, you was playing Miss
What about it? Oh, wait, my dad. Oh. What did you got?
Oh no.
Can I do this one?
Oh, I don't know what these are.
You guys brought some random.
I have a feeling these are already done. Right?
Golden green. Golden blue.
Got it. Found. Turn on the light. I can't see.
Turn the light.
Right.
I can't because I'm recording.
Gold and like dark blue.
What kind of firework are you?
Where do you? Light fuse here. Oh.
That pink
So
thingy?
you hold. So you hold it up. Non-intended for indoor use. I'm assuming, but it says light fuse here. Hold on, wait.
Wait,
What are you doing?
what if you just take the red part off?
I just said that. Hold on. Hold this light. Down.
Gotcha. Alright.
Oh my god.
Light fuse here. What the fuck?
Just try to light it.
No. Hell no. That's not a fuse though. That's straight fucking gunpowder right there. Where is the green wick? That's what I'm looking for. Point away from body clothing. Light tip. Or are you serious? Just light the tip.
Oh God, I don't trust that.
Yeah, that's kind of scary. I'm gonna put this in.
All right.
Let's see if it works.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm gonna light it like this. Come on, bro. Like, you should be working right now. Back up. I don't know what this will do.
Oh, I see the wick.
Oh, that's what it does?
It's like a flare.
Oh, that's cool. Hold on. Give me it. I didn't know it does that.
So I can hold one? Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Oh!
That's actually really cool.
Can I? Oh, no, no.
That's literally like a flare. Here, take one.
All right.
That's fire.
Yo.
Light.
Light. All right. Gotcha.
Here. And give it one to your mom.
Wow.
Here, keep one. Get one. They call
Yo.
it
This is might be the coolest thing I ever hold. Oh. 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 This is sparklers, but 10 times better.
10 times better than a sparkler. Really 10 times better than a sparkler.
But that was pretty cool though.
So much light.
Bye bye. I got your phone, by the way. All right. Another one. All right, back up. Ah.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, the smoke. Good.
Mine's still going.
Huh? Oh God. Hey, this thing costed all like 80 or 90
What?
for all this fireworks. Oh, we didn't even get done with the pack yet, but okay.
No, I just want to get through all the loose shit.
Oh, the ones we already had at home.
Wait, so those in a lake now?
What?
That's
Those?
funny.
You know what? Save all the trash, because there's a trash can upstairs.
Oh, already throwing mines in the lake.
It's okay. What?
Oh wait, do it fast.
Oh, look, it's over there.
Oh,
I know.
okay. I don't think this is the worst flashlight I've ever seen on my iPhone. What you just say? What you just say?
Nothing.
Did you say the N word?
So look.
Oh.
I like dying bird that.
1, 2, 3.
It sucks. Why should you do that at the same time? Just like put the wicks together. But okay. Dead. Oh my God, Dad. That's
This is why you don't sit there with
That was very demure.
did you
Now
burn
three
yourself? Did it
mics
hurt?
No, I didn't burn myself nothing.
It didn't hurt. Oh no, this man.
Nigga, I didn't get in it. I went like this.